What's up YouTube, Josh here with JCS Customs, and today I'm going to show you how to launch control on your V6 Camaro. Let's get this video started. So first off, I want to thank you for clicking the video and watching today. If you're new here, please go down below and smash the subscribe button. So like I said earlier, I'm going to show you today how to launch control your V6 Camaro. We're going to jump into the seat here, and I'm going to have two different views going so you can see how this works. Alright, so we're sitting in park here. The first thing you want to do is put it in sports mode. My car is always in sports mode, but if you see, you hit this, you can swap it in between modes here, and we're going to put it in sport. So right here you got a traction button. So if you hit it once, you notice it turns your traction control off, and you do not want to press it more than once because it will actually show you here, it'll actually alter a different setting that you don't want. So what we're going to do is click it, and we're going to click it once to turn just traction control off. Okay, so now we're ready to do the launch control here. I'm going to start my GoPro so I can get two different views, and let's start this. All right, so what you're going to do is put it in drive. We're going to rev up to about 2,000 RPMs and let off the brake. So you're holding the brake, revving up 2,000, and going to let off the brake. That is exactly how you do it. You can feel it too. Didn't really spin too much, which is good. So you can see my GoPro sitting way over there. Back out here at the high school where I went and graduated, going on a few months, it'll be 8 years ago. But just for fun, we're going to do it one more time. Try to park where the GoPro can see us here. We're going to do it again. So I'm going to press the brake. I'm going to rev up to 2,000. To it, YouTube. If you see anything that you like on the car, please feel free to go check out the rest of the channel. I've done a lot to this car, and spent a lot of time and money, and I've made a video for everything that has been done to it. And obviously for today's video, if you are doing the launch control to race, roll your windows up, put your sunroof down for you know, obviously better airflow over and around the car. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. Turn it around on me here. But I hope y'all enjoyed this. Until next time, YouTube, stay safe, keep spinning tires. Peace out.